Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use OpenAI Codex CLI in VS Code. So here you can see current line in VS Code. Now what you have to do, you have to go for the extension. Here you can see we have an extension here. Now here you have to search for Codex. Hit enter and you have to wait for some times. It depends on your connection. And here you can see we have Codex here. And like you just increase it a little bit. So here sometimes you will find this option Codex. So don't go with this one, go with this one Codex and with the ChatGPT icon. And here you can see this is authenticated from OpenAI.com. So you just have to install it. Yes. Now here you can see the left side we have Codex option. Here you can see Codex. Now we will actually try here new model. Okay, so click here try new model. Now you can actually create a file at first. So let's just open a folder and let's just go with the drive where actually I have the folder, and here you can see I have a folder called HTML. I will add it here, and here I have index.html. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything from here, and I'm going to say here that I will open Codex here, and from here you may see in the left side set a local or cloud. So we'll actually add work locally. You can see we have chat and agent, so we'll actually select chat. Okay, so you will find something like this. And after that, you have to just do the prompt here, and the prompt we did say, I want, or you can say here that generate a blog site home page for me using HTML and CSS only. Hit enter. So currently I am using the basic plan, I mean for free. So if you want to use Codex with your ChatGPT, you have to actually upgrade to it plus ChatGPT plus. Okay, and I don't have ChatGPT plus, so I can actually show you this. But if you have this, what you have to do, you have to just actually log in through your ChatGPT, and that's it. And then you just have to actually give here a prompt, and then you will actually get code here, generated code. Then you can actually use it in your file where you actually want to add this.